Hi, this is Jeannie. This is a fall Christmas tree that we saw at the Craig Watling showroom on our last market visit, and I love it. I love the orange, the turquoise, I love the wide ribbon, the velvet pumpkins, all the picks and sprays. I love how they have the signs tucked in there. Most of these are anywhere from 10 to 12 inches in diameter, and you'll see some mesh tucked in there to give it some color. Velvet pumpkins, little flocked velvet pumpkins, and they're so cute. I really like it. I'm gonna have to talk to Carrie about decorating this for my house for this fall. But check out the fall collection at Trendy Tree, and you'll see so many of these items on the website and a lot of others too. Thanks.